I've had these 5 shirts for 3 years. I live streamed about them back in 2021, so why were they never delivered to the customer? Better yet, why do I still have them and haven't repurposed them as rods, platen covers, or test printing shirts? The short answer, the client and I weren't happy with how they turned out. For now, let's get inky, take a nostalgic look at some rotary screen printing CMYK. If you've had a CMYK color disaster, let me know in the comment below so we can learn from that too.
These little guys. I think a couple things went wrong. First, the shirt is too dark. My pink is off. Like, look how pink his beak is. And see how the pink and the blue aren't lining up. So my registration was off, or my alignment. But then over here, this one was better because there's less pink. This is basically black, but the different color shirt would have been better. This one's probably the best one so far. The yellow is off again on this one. Or I should have just done like what I did down here and done just black lettering instead of doing CMYK on the letters. That would have been a big help as well. I also think my screen halftones weren't correct because there's a whole math behind it. Each color needs its own like angle, basically. And then your mesh also has something to do with it. So maybe I used the wrong mesh or the wrong color, but I have screen printed CMYK before and it's turned out decent. Let me show you. This is like one of the only other CMYKs I've done. There was no black in it. And this is even older than that shirt. Okay, I lied. It doesn't look that great. Well, anyways, that's why I'm not doing screen printing anymore. At least not CMYKs. I will do DTFs. I got rid of my 4 color rotary and I have just a single platen that my husband made. So if I do want to do 1 or 2 colors, I will do them as like nesting colors. I'm not going to overlap and blend. So yeah, screen printing Shelly era has come to an end, but I'll have a video on that. Stay tuned. In the meantime, thanks for watching. Go learn something and do something creative.